Welcome to the review of the 1896 Brass Era 2025. This modern reinterpretation of a classic pioneer from the automotive world blends vintage aesthetics with cutting-edge technology, creating a one-of-a-kind driving experience. The design stays true to the original 1896 Brass Era vehicles, featuring exposed brass components, large spoke wheels, and an upright carriage-like stance. Handcrafted details like polished copper lanterns, a fine leather-trimmed canopy, and a wooden dashboard add to its period-authentic charm. However, subtle modern touches such as LED-infused gas lamps and a lightweight aluminum chassis ensure it meets contemporary standards. Inside, the cabin is an exquisite mix of old and new. Plush leather seating with intricate stitching provides vintage comfort, while a hidden digital interface behind the wooden dashboard offers modern convenience. The steering mechanism mimics the classic tiller setup, but an adaptive steering assist ensures smooth handling. Performance-wise, the 1896 Brass Era 2025 is far from its steam-powered ancestors. Underneath, it boasts a fully electric powertrain with a silent yet robust motor delivering seamless acceleration. The lightweight build and optimized aerodynamics allow for a surprisingly smooth ride, and the range of over 200 miles ensures usability beyond short leisure drives. As for pricing, the exclusivity of this handcrafted marvel places it in the luxury collector segment, with a premium price tag reflecting its bespoke craftsmanship and modern engineering. In conclusion, the 1896 Brass Era 2025 is a remarkable tribute to the origins of motoring while embracing the innovations of today. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast or a lover of unique automobiles, this vehicle offers an unparalleled blend of history and future-forward technology. A perfect collector's masterpiece with an iconic legacy.